In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine and studying at home. I welcome you all in the video lecture 5 of English for class 4. The book is New Oxford Modern English. Let's see the contents of the lecture. First of all, some instructions will be given. Then there will be introduction and explanation to conjunctions. After that, we shall do exercise C2 given on page 15 of your New Oxford Modern English. Students, here are some instructions for you. Number 1 is you should listen the lecture with full concentration. The next is you must have your English notebook, book and necessary stationery items with you. Students, today we are going to learn about conjunctions. What is a conjunction? A word that is used to join words, group of words or sentences is called a conjunction. They are also known as joining words or connecting words. Some of the most commonly used conjunctions are and, but, because, or. Now we shall briefly discuss the use of some commonly used conjunctions. And is one of the most commonly used conjunction. It is used to combine similar ideas or to add information. Some examples of the use of and are following. I like chocolates and ice cream. Ali can play football and badminton. Hina bought some fruits and vegetables. In these sentences, and has been used to join similar ideas, actions, or to add information. The next most commonly used conjunction is or. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. For example, would you like to have a cup of tea or coffee? Did he come by bus or by train? Take it or leave it. In these sentences, or has been used to choose an option. But is also one of the most commonly used conjunctions. We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. Karen dropped her clock. It did not break. We can join these sentences by using but. But is a conjunction. Some more examples of but are: she is poor but very kind. I like apples but I do not like oranges. In these sentences, but has been used to show a contrast, difference, or an opposite idea. Because is also one of the most commonly used conjunctions. We use because for reasoning. It means to give a reason of an action. I stayed home because I felt sick. In this sentence, the action is stayed home. I felt sick is the reason of that action. And we have joined these two sentences by using because. Some more examples of because are: Sarah went to bed early because she was very tired. They arrived late because of the storm. In these sentences, because has been used to give a reason of an action. Dear students, now open your new Oxford Modern English book, page number 15. Look at exercise C, question number 2. The question is, put suitable conjunctions into these sentences. Number 1 is, the players wear helmets dash goggles. We use and when we want to add something. So the sentence is, the players wear helmets and goggles. The next sentence is, the players change horses dash they get tired. Students, think. When we give the reason of an action, what we use? Yes, we use because. The players change horses because they get tired. Now look at the third sentence. People can buy food dash they can listen music. In this sentence, we shall use conjunction and. The sentence will be, people can buy food and they can listen music. Here and joins two actions of buying food and listening music. The last sentence is, it is warm in summer dash there is still snow on the mountains. Students, we have learned that we use but when two ideas are different. In this sentence, there are two opposite things. So we will use but over here. It is warm in the summer, but there is still snow on the mountains. Students, now I am giving you some homework to do. You have to do this exercise of conjunctions in your Neat English notebook. There are some instructions for you for your home task. You have to ready the page first by drawing margin line and writing date and day, and then you will start doing your homework in neat handwriting. Take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.